Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Step by Step Deutsch. Okay, let's be honest. If you've ever tried to schedule anything in German, you've probably stumbled over phrases like Halb, vier, which surprisingly means 3:30, not 4:30. Yeah, it's a really common trap, but don't worry. Today, we're unlocking numbers, time, and appointments so you can confidently schedule your life in German. Right, let's start with the absolute building blocks, numbers, or Zahlen. We'll begin with the essentials, just 0 to 10. Listen carefully. Null. Say null. 0. Eins. Say eins. 1. Zwei. Say zwei. 2. Drei. Say drei. 3. Vier. Say vier. 4. Fünf. Say fünf. 5. Sechs. Say sechs. 6. Sieben. Say sieben. 7. Acht. Say acht, with a bit of a throaty k sound. 8. Neun. Say neun. 9. And zehn. Say zehn. 10. Okay, moving on. Just a couple more essentials for telling time. 11 is elf, and 12 is zwölf. Zwölf. Now, here's where German does a little flip. For numbers like 21, Germans actually say the unit first, then und, which means and then the 10. So 21 is 21, literally 1 and 20. It sounds backwards, I know, but this pattern continues. 20, say 20, 20. 30, say 30. 30. 40, say 40. 40. 50, say 50. 50. 60, say 60. 60. Got it? That unit first structure is a key difference. Okay, let's dive into telling time, or die Uhrzeit. To ask for the time, you basically have two go-to phrases. First, wie spät ist es? Wie spät ist es? Which translates to how late is it? Or you can ask wie viel Uhr ist es? Meaning how much clock is it? Sounds funny in English, but both are perfectly fine. Let's practice, starting with full hours. It's really simple. Es ist, meaning it is, then the number, then Uhr. Like, es ist 3 Uhr. It is 3 o'clock. Or, es ist 9 Uhr. It is 9 o'clock. Now, here is where it gets a bit tricky, the half hours. In German, half means halb, but it refers to half until the next hour. So if I say, es ist 3:30, it actually means it's 3:30. Why? Because it's half an hour until 4 o'clock. Makes sense, right? If it's 6:30 p.m., you'd say, es ist 6:30, half until 7. I know, this takes some getting used to. Just remember the golden rule, halb plus the next hour. All right, what about quarter hours? For this, we use the word Viertel, meaning quarter. For quarter past, you say Viertel nach, quarter past, followed by the hour, like es ist Viertel nach 2, quarter past 2. For quarter to, it's Viertel vor, like es ist Viertel vor 3, quarter to 3. For specific minutes, it's pretty much like English. 3:05 is es ist 3:05. It is 3:05. 10 to 4 is es ist 4:10. It is 10 to 4. Just like Halb, the minutes for or before or to refer to the next hour.
Oh, and by the way, Germans love the 24-hour clock, especially in formal contexts like train schedules or official appointments. It's actually easier. For 2 p.m., you might hear 14 Uhr. For 3:30 p.m., it would be 15:30 Uhr. You literally just read the numbers as they appear. Straightforward. Finally, let's talk about the big one, scheduling appointments, or Termine. The word for appointment itself is der Termin. To ask about availability, you could say, Wann haben Sie Zeit? When do you have time? Or for a specific day, Haben Sie am Montag Zeit? Do you have time on Monday? Let's quickly list the days of the week so you have them. Montag, Montag, Monday, Dienstag, Dienstag, Tuesday, Mittwoch, Mittwoch, Wednesday, Donnerstag, Donnerstag, Thursday, Freitag, Freitag, Friday, Samstag, Samstag, Saturday, and Sonntag, Sonntag, Sunday. To suggest a time, you can ask, Passt Ihnen Dienstag 10 Uhr? Does Tuesday at 10 o'clock suit you? Or simply, Wie wäre es mit Mittwoch? How about Wednesday? If the suggested time works, you would say, Ja, das passt. Yes, that works. If it does not, Nein, leider nicht. No, unfortunately not. You can also say which day suits you well, like Montag passt mir gut. Monday suits me well. And there you go. Mastering numbers, time, and basic scheduling phrases like these opens up so many possibilities. From booking a doctor's appointment to confirming a business meeting, you now have the tools. Keep practicing that Halb rule and those numbers, and you'll be a scheduling pro in no time.